Hey guys, I'm Cheryl. Thank you for watching. I just want to talk to you about a great business opportunity. It has been the absolute best thing that I've ever done in my life. It's literally been 2 weeks and I have already moved up in the company. And all I have done is made a post on Facebook in the morning, a post on Facebook at night, and got others to make posts for me. Like, that's literally all I've done. I haven't spent hours on Facebook. I've messaged people. It's probably taken me maybe 2 to 3 hours out of my day. And I've made really good money. I have been able to help my husband, which he has been really excited about since I had to quit my job the beginning of the year before all this started to homeschool my daughter, who has very bad anxiety. She was having serious anxiety about going to school, being around people, so it was just getting really hard. She would have horrible panic attacks in the morning, and I couldn't even get her to school. So we had just taken her out of school to homeschool her, and probably had been homeschooling a couple of weeks, and I was with another social marketing company that I was doing okay with. I mean, I was making money, but nothing like I was here. And I didn't feel like I had friends there. I mean, they were very helpful. I don't want to say it was a bad experience. It wasn't. But this group of people that is with this company are awesome. Like, they take time to explain everything to you, and if they don't know the answers, they'll find the answers. They actually listen, sit, talk to you. We have Zoom meetings that you can attend or you don't have to attend. All the training in the world that you could ever ask for. There's daily pay, weekly pay, all kinds of different kinds of pay. So I have just loved being with this company, and I wanted to be able to share it with everyone else. It's awesome products that I absolutely love. I don't even have on foundation right now. I have on a little bit of bronzer, eyeshadow, mascara, lipstick. That's it. Because these products work and they make you money. And people know that they work, and they basically sell themselves. So if you have been laid off, if you're still working and you just want some extra money, we've had people pay for their weddings, we've had people pay their school loans off, pay their cars off, working part-time, like not even working full-time. I have almost gotten back up to my pay of what I was making at work before I left in a matter of a week. So, I mean, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I did all of this in my first day. No. My first week was a little slow. I didn't really know what I was doing. I still made money. I made money off of my first post. My first week, I made money. Then my second week, I knew more of what I was doing. I had been in touch nearly every day with someone that is above me on my team. The owners, the president of the company, the scientist of the company, have these awesome lives and watch parties, and so it's just, I mean, if you put yourself in it and you want to succeed, you will. These people will make sure that you succeed. They're going to give you everything that they can for you to succeed, and you're not going to spend your whole entire day trying to sell to people. I don't think I've tried to sell to anyone at all in the whole 2 weeks. I've posted. People who ask for information, I send them the information. If they want it, they want it. If they don't, they don't. Sometimes I might check back up with them. You know, I've had a few people say they want to order and then didn't, and the next day I message them and I'm like, I'm just checking in on you. Oh, girl, I forgot. And then they order. So, I've never had to do any sales pitches or anything like that. And it's just been great, especially right now. It's things that people can use while being stuck in the house. Immune boosters to help you feel better, to help your body feel better, to make your body stronger so that you have a less of a chance of getting sick. Just a lot of great product, like it's a variety of products. So if you are looking for a side gig, a full-time gig, friends just want to be able to talk to people because you're stuck in your house, leave me a message. I will be happy to get the information to you, and happy for you to join me, and I will do everything I can to make sure that you succeed, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.